Hi guys, welcome to your 13th tutorial in HTML, and in this we're going to look at the WebKit box. See it here? Yes we are. Okay, this is the new up and coming way of designing your websites. Okay, so basically what it does is it takes out all that JavaScript you need to do in order to do simpler things. You see that we go onto rounded corners and videos and things like that. So I've made a section, I've given it ID of item, and I put 4 divs in it, and each of them has an ID, and I just call them all item. Okay. Then I didn't do a bit of coding. Now you'll see some of this is blanked out. I'll go through that instead of doing it again in front of you. And then I put in, mine is WebKit, so box front direction. Okay. So I'm going to reverse the direction of these 4 boxes, even though I've given it a border, a display. I've given the way I wanted the WebKit to orient is horizontal across the page. Okay. So if I run that, I refresh that, that's what we get. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's simple enough. Now we can also do this. As I write on my apple, we can also do this. Now this is why I was trying to save a bit of time, instead of having to type everything out again. Just a bit quicker. This way we can change the positions of each of the boxes. So this way you'll see how great this is going to be for designing your websites. I mean, before it's so much code just to do this, but now it's so easy. So if we go and we save this here and we go back in, the positions of these should be changed exactly to what we've done. And hey presto, 3, 4, 1, 2. Go back and check here, and we go in here, look, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that's your introduction here to the WebKit box. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you join me in tutorial number 14. Take care guys, see you then, bye bye.